Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a passkey to your Kayak app on an Android phone. This method allows you to log in more securely and quickly, without entering a password every time. Let's get started with the complete process. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Account from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Passkeys. Now, at the bottom of the Passkeys page, tap Create Passkey. Next, tap Continue to confirm that you want to set up a passkey. Once it's done, the next time you log into Kayak, you can use your phone's screen lock or biometric method instead of typing a password. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to enable a passkey on the Kayak app for faster, password-free logins. If this helped, consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials.